Wood remains a valuable material. Safe, widely used by professionals in carpentry, sculptural decoration, interior design, and exterior or construction due to its physical and aesthetic properties. There are many types of wood, all different in color, grain, resistance, etc. In this article, we invite you to discover the main types of existing wood, their characteristics and their uses. Hi! How are you? In this video, we will tell you about the different types of wood. Because as a beginner I think you should know what are the different types of wood to use. And in this video, we'll tell you everything you need to know. And don't forget to stay until the end of the video, because I have a card for you. Types of wood for construction. The choice of species for a wooden construction is particularly important. Indeed, the wood must be strong enough to last over time and resist bad weather. For the construction of a house, the most used woods are spruce or fir, the Douglas, the larch, the cedar, the pine. For the construction of a terrace, IPE wood is the wood species par excellence. IPE is highly valued for its hardness, which prevents rapid abrasion. Types of wood to make furniture. If the choice of wood is essential for construction, it is also just as important for the manufacture of furniture. It is not a carpenter or a cabinet maker who will tell you otherwise. Before getting started, you need to ask yourself the right questions. What will the furniture be used for? Is it for decoration? Or for a seat? Will it be exhibited outside? For a seat or for the creation of furniture such as a table, a bed or a bookcase, oak will be preferred. Ash and beech wood are also regularly used. For decoration, a more flexible wood is necessary in order to be able to bend it more easily. Walnut or chestnut are particularly suitable. What are softwoods? As part of the large family of coniferous trees, softwoods are the most common wood species in French and European forests. Hence its exploitation affects many sectors of activity. These wood species stand out by their light colors and their fine grains. These essential characteristics, coupled with a soft, easy-to-work property, make softwoods the woods mainly used in the universe. Furniture and interior decoration. Note, for example, that when it comes to renovating interior furniture, pine furniture can be easily painted and repainted as much as desired. In France, it is not uncommon to find them also in the field of construction, especially as a frame and framework. However, before any outdoor use, a species of softwood such as the pine for the construction of a terrace, for example, must go through an autoclave treatment so that it can effectively resist bad weather and insects. What are the noble woods? In terms of interior design, noble woods are just as popular as softwoods. With slightly lighter shades, they are frequently used in carpentry and interior woodwork as decorative floor, wall, or ceiling covering. On the outside, strong enough and of great density, they can be used for exterior constructions as frames or even window frames, provided you apply protection and carry out regular maintenance, beeswax, or linseed oil. In addition, certain hardwood species, one such as chestnuts and oaks, are considered noble woods. What are exotic woods? They are also considered as noble woods. Exotic woods are colored and warm woods in the image of their countries of origin: Africa, South America, Asia. These wood species do offer a variety of color palettes and shades, from yellow-brown, through red, to bright orange-yellow tones. Colors highly sought after in the field of interior decoration. Do not require treatment or special maintenance. Exotic woods are said to be rot-proof and therefore have a high resistance to humidity and pests. Moreover, they are mostly part of class 4 and 5 wood, that is to say, which do not deteriorate even in permanent contact with water or even snow. Teak with its brown-yellow hue, this wood species from Africa with its magnificent red color, are, for example, materials of choice for making furniture and exterior constructions regularly exposed to the weather. Mountain chalet, outdoor terrace by the sea, etc., as well as sanitary rooms that are constantly in contact with humidity. In terms of interior decoration, the use of exotic wood species is the best because of their exceptional aesthetics and their great longevity. They are intended more for woodwork and luxury furniture that is more decorative than utilitarian. Note that structures made from these types of wood are profitable and sustainable investments over time. What is the strongest wood? The resistance of wood to different mechanical forces determines its strength. The ability to support heavy weight for a piece of furniture. For example, most hardwoods with high density. Like oak species, they are particularly solid woods, which means that they are often found in the manufacture of solid furniture or exterior construction. We have now reached the end of the video. And I promised you that I had a present for you. So go to the description of the video, and you will find a free woodworking book. This is a book with potential value. So I'll give you an appointment for another video very soon.